Hi, I'm Corin, and I'm in the middle of a move, so I don't really know where I'm going, but my house is sold. I have 20 to 30 days flexibility on actually renting my own house back for maybe a few weeks even. So my house closes in a few weeks, and then I could do the couple week rent back option. Or if I am not in an escrow, so in other words, if I don't find another house and get an offer accepted by in the next 10 days, then uh, I will not be going to a hotel. I'll only go to a hotel as if I'm in escrow already on a home to buy. So I will have to do a month-to-month apartment, and I really don't want to do that, but I will. And I'm just, every day is just monitoring if I have a house on blank. So I'm literally blank. Another thing I want to share about packing is the little stuff. It can go in dish boxes. So at U-Haul or wherever you buy your boxes, you can gather together in your house your little, all your trinkets, like stuff that may break or may be a pain to like pack later. So I've already got them all off the shelves. So the shelves are pretty blank here, and I got my pen to be able to write on the boxes. And that's it. I'm gonna go get my boxes, and I'm glad I could share my moving experience with you. And I hope yours goes as smoothly as I plan on mine to be. I'm at with my move. I hope your move is going accordingly. You probably are in a move or going to be in one because you might have Googled movers or moving or how to move efficiently, and you would have found my video here on YouTube. And I'm Corin, and you can find me at Corin Virtual Coach. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you very much, and I give you a big hug and a kiss. Have a great day.